Today is August 5th, 2025, and it's today's watch list for SPY. Currently, today's news, all we have is just PMI at 10 o'clock, and then after that, we're pretty much free trade. Other than that, let's get into the levels. So, in yesterday's watch list, we looked for calls above the 626 area as a possible reject, and then below 631 as a reject as well. The 626 ended up invalidating itself. What we're looking for was the possible move of this new 1 hourly level that I found during the intraday session to hold before we continue moving higher on the what I consider a pullback. All right, pullback, which is this long move, and this is the pullback. All right, what I'm gonna be looking for is for 631 to kind of start tapering off before we start making the move lower. If we go ahead and pop this into the pre-market session, which I'm gonna pop in here right now. We pop this into the pre-market session. We ended up having this, we're just moving sideways at this area. We're bouncing off of it, which is a great signification that this can hold that support, but I'm going to allow the market to decide that. The next bounce area that I do have is 621, so calls at that area does sound pretty valid to me based off of the reactions we got at this level in previous data, previous sessions. What I'm also going to be looking for is, again, how does the market react at this level? We do have a news catalyst at 10, so I'm gonna have to probably wait for that. As like I said, the market is making some, some crazy support moves on the way up. So we do want to see is this move going to be a is this move here going to be a pullback of this downtrend that we get before we continue moving lower? But it's not up to me to make that decision, and it's up to the market, right? I'm just gonna go based off of what I see. But that is the levels that I have for today. I'm gonna be watching this. 631 was already touched. It's invalidated, so I can't really watch this level. I am going to be looking for a possible rejection at this 634 area as well. So puts below 634. As you guys can see and look to the left, we had beautiful movements at this area. I mean, beautiful support bounces at this area. I just want to see, are we going to turn it as resistance before we continue moving lower? Other from that is the levels that I'm going to have pretty much watching for today. Hope you guys have a great trading day and a great trading session. Let me know what you guys look for in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.